Hint to all the future officers. Today we will be studying about the difference between howitzer and field gun. Howitzer and field gun are used by the artillery, okay, and they have played a major role in 1999 Kargil war. So firstly, studying about the howitzer. Howitzer, it is a type of gun which is high trajectory and is used for crest clearance in the mountains. Gentlemen, what does the trajectory means? The trajectory means the more angle or the angle with the ground. Okay, so higher the trajectory, higher the angle. Which means, suppose we take the example 70° and 30°. So 70° has more trajectory than 30°. So this howitzer have high trajectory and used for crest clearance. Crest means tip or the edge or the top of the mountains. So generally it is used for crest clearance in the mountains. You know about 1999 Kargil war where Bofors were used. Bofors are also type of howitzers. They were used to destroy the tip or the top of the mountains where the terrorists were sitting. So as higher the trajectory, which means more the angle, the less distance would be covered by the missile. Okay, so it is majorly used by mountain formations and the maximum trajectory is 70°. So maximum angle at which it can fire is 70°. Dhanush howitzer is made in India. M777 howitzer is US made, which India is using in current scenario, and FH-77 howitzers, which are Swedish made, which are also known as Bofors, played a very important role in 1999 Kargil war. Now this is the image just of the Dhanush howitzers. Now we will come to the field gun. It is a long range and less trajectory, which means it has less angle with the ground. As the angle is less, it can fire or it can cover the more distance. So missile fired from it can cover more distance. Mostly used by formation posted in plain regions. It is high velocity and low angle gun with high fire. Okay, so low angle, less angle and high velocity because the bullet runs parallel to the ground or the angle is less, so the velocity would be high. Maximum trajectory is 45°, which means maximum angle with the ground it can have is 45°. So 105 light field gun, Indian field gun Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3, all three models, these are used by Indian Army artillery in the current scenario. So gentlemen, this is all about the difference between howitzers and field gun. So I hope you understood our today's topic, though it was short, but it is very important. It has been asked and it is being asked in many SSBs. So if you have any suggestions, do post them in the comment box. Thank you.